In the dynamic world of transportation services, starting a chauffeur business can be a lucrative venture. However, success in this industry requires careful planning, attention to detail, and exceptional customer service. Here is a practical and detailed guide on how to kickstart your own chauffeur business. Step 1. Research and planning. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for chauffeur services in your target area. Identify your target audience, such as corporate clients, tourists, or individuals seeking special event transportation. Assess the competition and determine what unique value your business can offer. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, and financial projections. Consider legal requirements and obtain any necessary licenses or permits to operate a chauffeur service in your region. Step 2. Fleet selection. Choosing the right fleet is a critical step in starting a chauffeur business. Select vehicles that align with your target market's preferences and needs. High-end sedans or SUVs may be suitable for corporate clients, while stretch limousines could cater to those attending special events. Ensure that your vehicles are well-maintained, clean, and equipped with modern amenities like Wi-Fi, bottled water, and charging ports. Consider environmental concerns and explore the possibility of including eco-friendly options in your fleet. Step 3. Professional chauffeurs. Recruit experienced and professional chauffeurs who are not only skilled drivers but also possess excellent customer service skills. Conduct thorough background checks and ensure that your chauffeurs have the necessary licenses and certifications. Provide training on customer interaction, safety protocols, and the use of any specialized equipment in your vehicles. A well-trained and courteous chauffeur can significantly enhance the overall customer experience and contribute to the success of your business. Step 4. Online presence and marketing. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Use these platforms to showcase your fleet, highlight customer testimonials, and provide easy booking options. Implement search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to enhance your website's visibility in online searches. Invest in targeted digital marketing campaigns to reach your specific audience. Collaborate with hotels, event planners, and corporate entities to build partnerships that can generate referrals. Consider offering promotional deals or discounts for first-time customers to attract initial business. Step 5. Exceptional customer service. Customer satisfaction is paramount in the chauffeur business. Provide a seamless booking process, timely arrivals, and courteous service throughout the entire journey. Implement a feedback system to gather customer opinions and address any concerns promptly. Offer personalized services such as preset routes, custom playlists, or special event packages. A focus on customer satisfaction will lead to positive reviews, repeat business, and word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable in the service industry. In conclusion, starting a chauffeur business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a commitment to providing exceptional service. By conducting thorough research, selecting the right fleet, hiring professional chauffeurs, establishing a strong online presence, and prioritizing customer satisfaction, you can lay a solid foundation for a successful and sustainable chauffeur business.